Ooh. Okay. Come here. Show us what are the things inside. What a packing. We have a sample filament, green, white, orange. Actually, I didn't got orange yesterday. It was out of stock. Finally, we got. Okay. Actually, they said some tools will be there, but nothing else. It's okay. Now, the top of the machine only they have given the manual. We'll read it later. Okay. So door. Put this later. Slowly remove all the foams. It's a toolbox. Let's see what they have given. Cable. It's a display. That display fitter it is. We have to screw it. These are the accessories. I'll remove and show you. This is that pin one. This is the needle which will print 3D. This is absorb dry one. We have to keep it inside this. Okay, now we are going to take the main part, which is filament stand. Front door. This is the front door. From here we have to remove this screw. See this we have to remove it to remove this. For that we have to use this. Okay. These things we have to check how to operate it because I don't want to break anything. I think this will come and fit here. Yes, above one plate will come, so check it here. This is the closure for here, upper one. Then we have to keep this. Later I'll check